Okay, let's see the next adjustment. This is the third adjustment. What is that? This is the easy one. Look here. Director's fee. This is the administration expense of director's fee. 7.5 million means 7,500, and audit fee 2.1 million means 2,100 have been neither. There's no paid. There's no payment and no accounted. There's no accounted for 31st as look here. Director fees of 7,500 and audit fee of 2,100 have been neither paid. There's no payment and accounted for as at 31st March 2024. At the end of the year, there's no payment, there's a payable, no, there's no payment and no accounting was done this company. Therefore, we must one by one we can accounting creations. Director fee 7,500 is not accounted and not paid. Not paid means there's a payable. What's a double entry? The payable, no. Director fee expense debit, director fee expense payable credit. Director fee expense debit, director fee expense payable credit. Director fee expense is administration expense, no. Therefore, we must go to the this is a 7,500 must be, I write the double entries, no. I write double entries. What is that? Director fee expense debit 7,500. Okay, credit to director fee payable, director fee payable credit 7,500. What are the location of these shorts? Director fee expense should be administration expense. Administration expense we must identify. Director fee payable is a payable, no. Therefore, we must create other payable, not other payable, there's other payable, we must include director fee payable, director fee payable, what is the amount? 7,500. 7,500. These are the locations of director fee payable. Therefore, we must firstly administration expense identified. 7,500. Okay, look here. Company structure, this is the answer sheet. Okay, at the administration expense are second page. This is administration expense. First of all, we must identify the balance of administration. Okay, balance of administration. What is the balance? Firstly, we must identify there is a balance. What is the balance? Balance must be identified through the questions. Look here. Balance should be identified in question. Look here. There is a balance of administration expense, no? Administration expense is there. There is a operating expense compositions there. There's administration expense. The current situation is 6,500. Therefore, we can get 6,500 as a balance. 6,500 as a balance of administration. 6,500. Okay, let's see. 6,500. After that we must include, what is that? Director fee. Director fee. What is the amount? 7,500. After that we must create other payable note. Therefore other payable note should be create in this side, no? Changes in equity or new page. I get a new page, page number 5. Look here, page number 5. Page number 5, I create a note for other payables. Other payables. At that time 7,500 I identified director fee payable. Director fee payable. Okay, this is the answer of director fee identification. Therefore I go again to question. What is the question? Sorry, question is there's another payable we can identify. What is that? Another payable we can identify. What is that? Look here, there is a audit fee 2,100 have been neither paid or neither counted. Therefore what is the double entry? The audit fee, no? Audit fee expense debit, audit fee expense payable credit. These are the same locations for direct fee and audit fee. What is the location? Direct fee expense identified in administration expense. Direct fee payable, audit fee payable, other payables. Okay, the audit fee expense must be identified administration expense, and audit fee payable must be identified in other payable. 2,100 should be identified. Okay, 2,100, there's a 2 locations. What are the locations? Other payable should be identified. What is that? Audit fee payable. 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 Audit fee payable 2,100. And what is the other one? Administration expense 2,100 must be identified. 2,100 administration expense. Administration expense 2,100. Audit fee. Audit fee expense. Okay, there is a location. So what is first one is administration expense, second one is other payable. This is the identification of audit fee payable and direct fee payable. In next we must identify the next one, property, plant and equipment related question, related adjustment adjustment number 4. In next video we meet adjustment number 4.